How to remove discover people on Instagram. Hi everyone, welcome back. This is a video tutorial on how to remove discover people on Instagram. Discover people is a feature on Instagram that gives you suggestions on who to follow. It normally pops up whenever you follow someone. Let me show you how it works. Let's begin by opening the Instagram application. And then let's try to follow a random account from the Discover page. Tap on the magnifying glass at the bottom of the screen and just tap on any post from here. Tap on the username and follow the account. Instagram then gives you all the suggested account for you to follow. This is the Discover People feature. We can't really disable this, but here are some things you can do about it. If you want to remove a specific account on the list, just tap on the X icon on the top right corner inside the box. If you want to get rid of the whole thing, just tap on the person with the plus icon next to email. And there you have it. We have successfully removed the Discover People list on Instagram. Another way for you to access the Discover People list is by going to your profile. Tap on your profile picture on the bottom right corner, and then tap on the three-line icon on the top right corner of the page. Select Discover People, and then tap on the X icon next to the account you want to get rid of. And that's it for today's video. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to let us know in the comment, give us a like, and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. Thank you for watching!